by HirlingerChevrolet.
This great 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500 is equipped with a responsive 5.3-liter V8 engine, a reliable automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and has only 39,372 miles. Its electronic and entertainment features include an RDS audio system with a satellite link and CD player which can read MP3s, a 6-speaker in-cabin sound system, and steering wheel-mounted remote audio controls. It also gets an estimated 20 miles per gallon on the highway, and 15 in the city. For your comfort, this short crew cab truck has a voice-activating system and a ventilation system. This vehicle keeps your safety in mind with multi-stage deploying driver and passenger front airbags with passenger seat occupant sensors. Call or come in today to arrange a test drive.
HirlingerChevrolet is located at 158 Harrison Brookville Road in West Harrison, Indiana. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon.